now,
Ravi,
yes, yes.
hello.
Yeah, tell. Yeah, Pankaj.
Ravi, recording. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
I
Thank
started
you. Recording.
Pankaj. Yeah, I will.
Recording started, no? Thank
I started Pankaj. Thank you so much. Okay, so now in the previous session, this concept is new, but why I will tell, because when I will use in the security concept, today's security concept, you guys will understand, right? Why I'm using that, right? So let's first understand just I will create only one standalone application, right? Just I will create only one standalone application here, standalone maven project. Here I will create just testing purpose, right? So because the things will come our in mind, right? So still I'm not giving any diagrammatic representation here, just we will do practical direct. And when I will start just now within the 10 minute, right, I will start string sorry, security concept there. First I will explain as a diagrammatically, then I will implement. And where these concept, whatever concept I'm going to explain here, where we will implement in that security concept, those things also I will tell. Then in you people, right, clear picture will be there, right? So because whenever you will develop with our own self, right, easily you people can develop that application, right? So now let's create it. We know that if we want to create a standalone application in maven project, we select this one, first one also. Now what we will do now next, right? In that again, just I'm giving com dot, just string test, right? String test, just I'm creating project now, guys. Okay, so now what, testing project, just I'm giving here project, right? So here what I'm giving 1.0 version, right? After then I'm finishing it, right? After we will get project now, so there is no need to change version and all those. Hey, at the rate, and Priya Ranjan, please mute yourself. Okay, thank you. So now our project is creating round now. Oh, spelling again mistake. Okay, guys, testing, right? T-E-S-T. I forget test T, right? So don't worry about that. Project name is not much issue here now. Okay, now so let's create the project after testing project, right? Testing where the testing project is created or not. Yeah, see the testing project is created now. Okay, still 99% only. Yeah, testing project is created now. Okay, this is the just I created a standalone application, right? So if you want, let's what we will do now, just we will change 1.8 version only, right? Because we are going to just test, right, test the application, right? So what we will do now, so we will go on the browser, right? Here maven dependency, right? Maven property dependency compiler, maven compiler property dependency. What we will do now, we will copy it, right? From where? Maven, Apache Maven project, right? Maven project documentation is there we will find this property, right? So after then what we will do now, we will paste it, right? So we will paste it, right? So we will paste it here, we will paste it. After then what we will do now, again we will go inside this folder, right? So let's develop it one string class, and in that string, just in the string, right? Like for example, we have one string like this, right? String data equal to string data, right? String data, in that string, right? Like Amit is there, amit Amit is there, right? In that Amit like this is there, right? So like this Amit is there. So if we want to remove these things from inside the Amit, right? So we will use, for that purpose we will use string tokenizer concept here, right? So means string tokenizer object we will use it, right? So don't worry. Why first I'm explaining string tokenizer because I will use it, right? So before I want to give as an just normal standalone application means core Java application, because everybody near about every people is good in core Java, right? At least they can write main method which they can see the output. Because of that I'm explaining here, right? So first what we will do now, again we go inside, right, this folder, right? Inside that what we will do now, inside that what we will do now, again what com dot, just we are creating what com dot, right? Com dot string st, just st data, right? I'm taking st data, right? So just test data, just I'm taking data test, right, with main method, right? So now for how first, so like that whatever I said here, right? Amit is there na. Inside that, if Amit, if we want to remove what, if we want to remove what, inside the Amit, these things, right, to make just Amit, so we will use what, so we will use what, string tokenizer. This is the what core Java concept only, right? So what we will do now, again just we will hold, right, string data equal to just whatever I wrote on what pain brace, just I'm writing a and m I T, right? Amit, Amit is there, right? Amit is there. Then what we will do now? Again, what we will do now? If we want to remove, right? If we want to remove this this one, right? This one. If we want to remove these things, right? So what we will do now? We will. My system is hanging like anything. Actually, the just 4 GB RAM is there, na? Because of that. Don't worry, I will increase it next time. Hmm. So, so what we will do now? Just we will create string string tokenizer object, right? String tokenizer st equal to new string, right? New string. In that, what we will do now? We will select the two argumented, right? So here what we will pass the data, right? Whatever data is there, we have this data, string data, right? Inside that we pass what, delimiter. What is that? These things is called what, delimiter, right? These things what we want to remove inside that, right? Delimiter. So after, if we want to remove this one, right, delimiter, what we will do now, again we just write like this, okay now. After then, if we want what, output, just st dot next, right? Next what, next token is there, right? So if we do like this, now what we will do now, let's print it. Oh sorry, just a miss first, sorry for that. Next token, next element object, right? Next element object. 1 minute, I will check it. See, previous I did not practice it, right, as a, but because of that. Okay. So like this also we are getting the same only, right? So what we will do now, we will take what here, while condition, right? While condition, in that, hmm, in that what, st dot has more tokens object is there, right? Then what we will do now, again, now st dot next. st dot next what, next token, right? Now let's print it. See, Amit, we got Amit or not, right? We removed what these things, right? Here we removed it, right? And we got it the Amit actual data, right? We got the Amit actual data, same like for example username, we have the what username. Whenever we will send the, I will explain, because of that I'm just what creating the core concept here. First we will understand these things, and when we implement inside that what our restful application, we catch up easily, right? Because of that I'm explaining here, guys, right? So otherwise there is no need to explain that things, right? So now same things, right? Same things, what we will do now, like just I have the data like Ravi, my name only, Ravi colon like this, okay na, Kant is there, right? So Ravi Kant is there. So if I want to remove, just I want what Ravi Kant, right? Total name, right? Just I want to remove that. So the same object, in the same object, what we will do now, just we will keep this delimiter like this. After then what we will do now again, see, Ravikant, we got it or not, right? If you if see, if you print like that only, right? Just see data, just I'm data. So what we are getting the output, what we are, see, what we are getting the output, Ravi underscore colon, but I don't want this one, right? I want just Ravi Kant, right? Internally. So we because of that, what we are using is string tokenizer object, right? So string tokenizer having the parameter, which is the delimiter, delimiter is there, na? Whatever delimiter is there, we will remove that, right? So now based on these things, we will,
Ravi,
yes.
if we have more than one delimiter, then
If we have more than, see,
one delimiter.
Mm-hmm. If see one inside that, see the same like whatever the things is there inside that, right? Like this one, right? Like a like 1 minute. R A, no. This is there. This is there. Here also there. Here also. Here also. Right?
No, no, different type of delimiters.
Oh, different type of the delimiter, right? Oh, okay, okay. 1 minute.
Yeah,
I did.
like
I
comma semicolon.
yeah. Your question is correct only, but 1 minute, I will see different argument also. There are just how many argument is there, because based on the constructor tokenizer, 1 minute, there are three boolean return delimiter. See boss, in the same string tokenizer, in string tokenizer, because return this one will return true and false, right? So means only three constructor is there in the string tokenizer. So I think
Second one will, I think second one, no?
second one we use, right? Second already, second one I am using, right? But first one, one third one is there, but just it will return true and false things, right? So the only one in the string, right? Same things if we there, they based on that tokenizer we can remove that things, right?
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Okay. Later we will see it, right? Whatever things I have need to implement in our project, right? Those things just I see in, before giving the deliver to session, right? So don't worry about that. We will see that, right? Together we will see. It's not meaning that everything I only know. You guys also know that, right? Because here the people working employee also there, right? So now let's, okay. So
Next is very easy. Due to a string handling concept, they are lacking to anything.
yeah, Chandan.
Yes, I'm saying that this guy is having a lack of a string handling concept. That's why he's asking question a string tokenizer. Hello, hello.
Yeah, I'm not getting Chandan. In what you want?
So nothing I want to.
Any query? Any query?
No, I don't have any query.
Okay then, Chandan. Okay, and mute yourself.
That's why it's yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
So now, so based on that, right? So based on the what data, right? This is the data is there. In that data, what is that? In that data, right? In that data, like here, this is there, right? So I want to remove that. Just we pass the delimiter here, right? Just that delimiter we will pass it, and what we will see that actual Ravikant, right? So same thing, this concept I'm going to implement in the project also. Because of that, here I explained. So before explaining, right, so in the previous session I already, 1 minute, I already explained. 1 minute, where decrypt and decrypt concept I explained in the previous session, right? Just my system is just too much slow, because of that I'm taking time, right? 1 minute, I'm searching the file because I have need to again create a. Where I explained that file is not finding. This is the two yesterday first. This is today's session. Okay, no problem. Okay, somewhere I saved, but I don't know. Yeah, so what we will do now, so if we want like if we want coded format, right? So here what we did, right, this is string, right? But in the real time, what will happen, this string will we make what as encoded format, right? Whenever we will make the request as we will make unreadable format. So if we want to make unreadable format, right, so we have need one API, right? We have need what, one API. That API, that API name is what? That API name is what? Codec, right? That API name is what? Basic code API is there, right? Common code API. Common code API. This is Apache people is given, right? In that what? In that already these things I explained, right? These things I explained in the previous session, but still why I'm showing, I'm not going to again create the what diagram. Just I will take this common API from what Maven central repository, and I will put inside what pom.xml file. After then I will show that how we will what make this Ravikant as unreadable format, right? So just what, just this one remove it, right? Don't need. Now we will see what, let's we see that how we make this API as unreadable format, right? So if we want to make that API means this string as unreadable format, right? So if we want to make this string as a unreadable format, so we have need what, one API, right? That API name is what, common code, right? Common code dependency we will what, copy from what, Maven central repository, right? Maven central repository. Inside that we go that, and after then we will first one Apache common code, right? Another one don't need another, right? So first let's take latest version, right? After then we will copy that dependency, and we will put inside what, form.xml. Inside that again, because of this is the just standalone application, right? Because of that, in that what dependency, right? Dependencies is there. Inside that what we will do now, we will paste that dependency. So so what we will do now, we will paste it the dependency, right? After then pasting that, we get what, that jar, right? Inside what, class path, right? Class path location where the maven is there. See, commons underscore coded, we got it this jar na. So then what we will do now, let's again so first we convert this string, right? We convert this string in what, byte array format. So if we want to convert this string as a byte format, right? If we want to convert means, let's do the what, decoding process, right? So encoding encoding process, right? We are going to do what, encoding process. So if we want to perform what, encoding process, what we will do now, we will convert this string. First we have need to convert this string as a what, byte array format. So if we want to convert this string as a what, byte array format, what method we have, what, just we will take data, this data reference, right? This name we will take data 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 dot get byte is there na. This method what, this method will return what, this name, right? This string in the array format, right? Byte array format. So it will return what, then the if array we get what, just byte array dot, just what we will take, just I'm taking a here na. So just for practice purpose, right? Because I will implement in the project, there we will see the real time scenario, right? So now again today why the see boss, if meeting will stop, right? Again we will what, again we will connect, because I don't know today again the meeting is see 30 minute, what's happening I don't know. Yesterday meeting was going smoothly near about 2 hour 2 minute, right? 2 hour 2 minute I took session yesterday. Now today again 30 minute we are getting the, okay, leave it. Okay, after then don't lose the patience, and don't leave the session. I'm going to make the session, you will after completing this session you will think about that we learn something today, right? So okay, so now what we will do now, we will get, right? So we will convert this string, right? Byte array string, we will convert this byte string. We converted this string as what, byte format. Now after then what we will do now, again what, this byte array, we will take what, we have one basic in that what, common code class, right? Basic what, base what, base base 64 class is there, right? 64 class is there. In that what, in that encoded method is there. This encoded method is taking this what, this encoded method is taking what, this argument, right? This argument, I think one person on that day missed, right? Bharti, I'm explaining here again, please listen carefully, right? So you missed this session on that day, and you said to me, right? So don't worry about that, I'm explaining here, please listen, be careful, right? So now again what it will return back again, what just it will return again what byte array only, right? Again what byte array, this method will return again what byte array only, right? So now we will hold this byte array in the b reference, right? Now again what we will do now, again if we want to see, right? If we want here see our this string is encoded now unreadable format, this string become here what unreadable format. But if you want to see that, right? If you want to see that how our encoded data is look like, right? So if you want to, then uh, in the string class, right, with the constructor parameterized array parameterized constructor also there in the string class, right? So we will create what here, one string yes equal to now string again, right? String yes, right? String yes, inside that what we will do now, we will pass this what, we will pass this what, object byte array, right? Byte array we will pass it, and let's see out, just see that output, just see that output. And we will pass here yes. Now let's what I will do now, let's print it, right? See the data we got unreadable format or not. So this is what, this is the Ravikant only, Ravikant colon what, this one only, right? But we got here what in the format of what unreadable data, right? So same like again if you want to make this data as a readable format, what we will do now, so this is called from here to here, right? From here to here what operation we perform, we perform what encoding operation, right? So let's decode it, right? Again recode it here, what in this yes, right? Our decode what in this here, see here in the decoded format data is there na, here already we printed, right? Somebody is unmute yourself, guys. Abhishek, whenever you are,
Yes,
yeah, whenever you are joining, why you are unmuting yourself, please mute yourself, yeah, disturbance is happening, right? Don't worry, I will unmute you. Yeah. So now so what we will do now, after then string yes we got it, right? As after then string yes we got here, what is that unreadable data, right? Unreadable data, this is the what unreadable data now. So let's make this what readable format, right? So let's make this readable format, right? So what if we want to make this data as what again readable format, what we will do now, here also string only na, whatever the output is there, we are getting what, we are getting what string only, this is the string data only, but unreadable data, right? This Ravikant is the unreadable string, right? So now again what we will do now, again let's what decode process, let's perform what decode process, right? Decode process, decoding, decoding process, right? Sorry, decoding process, right? So now we are going to perform what decoding process. So if we want to perform decoding process, right, here we have what decoding decode string, right? So let's what, how we will, yes dot get byte, right? Yes dot get byte, yes dot get byte, after then again it will return again what byte array only, right? Byte array only, right? Again it will return back what byte array, just I'm taking what here c, just I'm taking what c, again now see again what we will do now, again here again base class we will take, right? Again base class, again we will take what base class 64, but in that again what we will take, their encode method we took, right? But here what decode method we will take, right? Decode again, this is what array type argument it will take. Then what we will do now, we will pass this argument here, right? We will pass this argument here, again it will return back what, again it will return back what byte, right? byte array only, right? Again it will return what? Byte array. Just I'm taking d, right? Just I'm taking d, I'm holding again. So if we want to see, right, again to convert as a string data, so what we will do now, we will again perform this operation, right? So if we want to perform this operation, what we will do now, just again we will create what? String. String s equal to new string, right? String s equal to new string with constructor, right? So in that we pass that d. Now let's see that again. Same actual data, whatever actual string is there, right? Actual Ravikant here here that Ravikant become what? Unreadable format, unreadable format. But here again I'm been making to taking this unreadable data in the readable format. I'm preparing that data as again what? Again what? Readable format. So again after getting that, let's print it, right? And see that we are getting the, oh, here yes one. Why yes one? Just because two in the same method we can't took two name as the same, right? So now, sorry, sorry, yes one na. Yes one. Now we see again here what we are getting, that here again we are getting what? Unreadable data. Again we here we make what? Readable, right? So so why I explain here again this concept? In the previous session I explained, because I know some people is here new only, right? This session will end in the 2 minute, right? 1 minute 40 second. Again guys, don't leave it, right? I'm going to start security, right? So if you leave, right, then that maja will not come, right? I made it like that, right? Basic, just in the rest, right? Basic security I will explain, right? So but that basic security I prepared like that, now everybody will understand, right? So now, so let's understand the security concept as what? Diagrammatically, right? So let's understand the security concept as a diagram. Those things, both these two things, why I explained here, because in the system, in the when I will implement that things, right? The implement in the implementation, those things is need. But in the whenever we make that request, right? Here I made what? See, here decoding process will do our REST API, but encoding operation we will perform, right? These operation we will perform in the application, but internally RESTful will do this process, right? So we can't see, but here we explicitly see, right? Seen, right? Here explicitly seen how our client means what? Postman will decode our data, right? So don't worry about that. I will take care like that. Na, ki the subject will inject like in like anything in you people mind, right? So don't worry about that. And so now let's understand the security concept as a what? Diagrammatically, right? So 1 minute, just 1 minute is there, right? Okay, 1 minute is there. So still anybody, let's talk to each other.